Look, boss, we're going on holiday.
Holiday.
We're going on holiday, my bro.
Yay!
Here. You got your suitcase, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, here.
Mommy!
Here's the bag as well.
Mommy! We're going on holiday. Somebody help me.
One sec.
It is a period of great celebration. The force is strong with young Padawan Mali, who's about to turn 6. A legendary adventure awaits in a galaxy not so far away, France. With his trusty droid, Uncle Bins, and his mother, the wise and kind Tai, they're ready to guide him through an epic journey like no other. Their first mission, the enchanted kingdom of Disney. Here, in the Walt Disney Studios Park, Mali will face challenges and surprises that will test his courage and fill him with wonder. Alongside his excited uncle, who's always ready for some adventure, and his proud mum, who's armed with wisdom and a camera, Mali's journey is about to unfold. So gear up, young Jedi, as we embark on this magical voyage through Disneyland Paris, where the force is strong, the magic is real, and every moment is an adventure. May the mouse be with you.
That's where you think we're going? Oh man, we've got a 12-minute journey, okay? We've got 12 minutes in the cab to get to our room, okay? Then we're gonna see what our room looks like. You excited? I'm gonna show what your room looks like. That's not an excited face. Is that your excited face? I like that face, though. That face is funny.
A 6-year-old's birthday in Disneyland with a makeshift rich uncle.
Do that. Onto the camera, do that. What's that?
A camera.
Can you see that in front of you?
Yes.
Look, what's that?
In front of me, I can see the castle.
What? You know what castle that is?
No.
You don't know what castle that is?
The King's Disney castle.
Disney castle.
I'm not going to get Disney.
Where do you think you're going, bro?
Disney castle.
That's where you're
Mommy,
going right now.
can we go to Disney castle?
We're going to Disneyland, Mal.
Bless him.
That's the surprise.
He's in utter disbelief. How cute.
And it even has Spider-Man again.
Exactly. That's what we're gonna go see.
Spider-Man.
Come on, bro. We're gonna get lit.
I knew this day was gonna be long, be spenny, but I was here for it all. My first time at Disneyland, little bro's first time too, and neither of us had been to France before as well. It was a mad experience, worth every penny. I hope little bro remembers this forever. If not, then I don't know about every penny, maybe every other penny, because I'll never forget it.
Uncle is a self-proclaimed Grinch and self-proclaimed best uncle in the world. It's Christmas in Disneyland, and he's been voted the biggest Grinch. Let's see how best this uncle is.
What, you get a minute? Mali, bonjour. To the washroom. Wait there. Hey. Come. Oh, we're not gonna leave your mum. Don't worry. I'd rather leave you than leave your mum. Your mum walks quick.
Look at Mali sticking to his mum like glue. Meanwhile, Binny's so eager to explore, he's already forgotten his own sister. Priorities, eh? Mum's the real star of the show.
Look, Ratatouille. Look, see? We're not leaving mummy, don't worry. Look, look how crazy this is. Huh?
Cue the little violins and wholesome music.
shit I used to do about coming here as a kid.
I'm almost certain you look nothing like that as a kid. Anyway, back to the cuteness.
What do you think?
Mommy, Goofy.
Mommy's goofy. Broski's violating.
I can go fast as light than my queen. Let's see what these skills can do.
Not quite Fast and Furious, but let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. The ride, it wasn't too scary for me or my mommy. Even we went on the turtle ride when it was raining, and Mama said, "Ah!" and then she nearly felt sick.
Okay.
And then I was
So,
smiling.
what do you give the ride out of 10 then, bro?
I give the ride out of 10.
So what do you give it out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Is it heartwarming or slightly concerning that Binns, a fully grown adult, is having this much fun on the ride? Stranger danger. Someone must have said to Binns, add time lapses to your videos or file for bankruptcy.
Boy, do I love a time lapse. This holiday I was with my uncle. Come on guys, get ready. We need to go here. We need to go eat. The cab's coming this time. I basically told sis, put the mum thing on the back burner. Uncle's got this.
All good mums need a break, Binny. Your one day is an easy day.
Come. Yeah, come. We're gonna go see Spider-Man.
This uncle and nephew relationship is so wholesome. Oh, it's like Uncle Ben and Peter Parker, but Binns can visit Disneyland.
I'm excited for you to see Spidey as well, boss.
Spider-Man time. Now I am going to fight the evil villains now. That no one can stop me now. Red Shooter is ready. Check. Red Shooter, go.
Are we here for Mally's birthday or to fulfill Binns' childhood dream? I'm as confused as you.
I ain't even put in no work. You never put in no work. I'm on you. Look, man. Uncle. Are you putting in the work though? I say no. Say no. Yeah, you try to rock it out. Alright, say no.
Okay.
You tell them what happens in the video, okay?
Okay.
It's recorded now, you can talk.
When we are doing that, you're shooting webs, so we can save Spider-Man, and then there are so many spider webs, and then I just shoot them, and then Spider-Man, he was trapped, and now he's free.
Welcome home, Spidey.
And the ride, and give it 10 out of 10.
Another 10 out of 10. You're a generous rater, bro.
Yeah, that's why I like. That's why it's good.
Alright, bro, alright, cool.
That's why I like it.
Alright, cool. Now we're heading to the Toy Soldier parachute drop. I'm scared of heights. Manny says he's not, but I gotta do the strong uncle stuff. Am I ready for this? Is he ready for this? Let's find out.
I can parachute like a real life shoulder. Let's go else.
So the drop, Mally's got this more than Binns. My Nan has got more of a chance than this uncle, and she lives in the clouds. Hope so anyway.
Hey, boss, you think you're French now? Like, I'm just screaming bonjour. Au revoir. Mally, bonjour is hi, and then au revoir is bye, innit?
Vince learnt German in school,
Au revoir?
but one day in France and he's Jacques Clouseau.
Boy.
Okay.
This kid's a natural. taking a breather before he dives right back into character.
It was going up, and then it was going down, and then I was going up, and then I was going down, and my mommy didn't like the ride because it was too high. But Uncle and me liked it because me and Uncle like high rides.
You do.
Right.
What did you give it out of 10 then?
I give it out of 10 out of 10.
You give it another 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you love Disneyland then, innit?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good then.
I
Alright.
love it.
This thing's going up and down, I'm scared of heights. But I've got to agree with Maddie, it was a good ride. It wasn't that bad.
You're playing it cool, Bins? Let me just add what Ty recorded.
Ty done me, I can't lie. It's that whole sinking feeling, I don't like that. But the ride was good, I'll put my hands up. But you got me.
Ah, Slinky Dog. Every Toy Story fan's favorite bendy canine.
You're so excited.
So much fun.
I'm glad you're having so much fun, bro. I'm having fun as well, bro.
Of course you are.
Literally.
I haven't gone on that before.
Me and you will go on that, bro, don't worry. Mommy will hold the bags.
Well, chivalry's alive and well. Mummy will hold the bags, says Bins, smooth as ever.
Exactly, we're gonna get lit. Hey, look, soldier man. Hello, hey.
Hi, soldier man. Hi, soldier man.
Jeez, yeah. Salute the big boss, the big boss. Come on. Hey.
Now who was more excited here? Mally or Uncle Binny? Hard to tell, really. Both lit up like Christmas trees the second they spotted those green soldiers from Toy Story. You'd think they'd been called up for active duty.
My mommy liked the ride, even it wasn't very fast, even it wasn't high. So I give the ride a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
You know, I actually like this ride as well, to be fair. So
Yeah.
I think 10 out of 10 is a good number, bro.
Merci de rester assis jusqu'à ce que Zigzag se soit complètement immobilisé. Please stay seated until Slinky stops.
Yes, Binny. On to the next one. Yes, nothing like the feeling of being a rat in a kitchen. Just what Bins needs to top off the day. Role-playing a snitch.
Yeah.
So this was the Ratatouille ride.
Yeah. Look what?
It's recording, you know?
Yeah. Hi. But my mommy liked the ride because it wasn't fastest, and it wasn't scary for her. Even there was a cafeteria that we ate in, and then there was some man, even some rats were taking the food, and then they would fire, and then they would have to eat it. So my mommy liked it. So I give it a 10 out of 10 again.
I'm not too sure what bro was talking about with the fire and the rat. Maybe we'll find out in part 2.
It's been a pleasure with the Wayans family at Walt Disney Studios Park. Tomorrow it's Mally's birthday in Disneyland Park. Get some rest, some fuel. Tomorrow's the big day.
FOC, baby, get you what you want. Or bury me, baby, live life how you want. Back up in my star, can't write on my phone.